welcome to Crib Asides. We're getting clean while getting lean. Today we're going to learn how to clean those walls with the cloth. First we start off and stretch down for those cloths. Come on everyone, stretch down. There we go, and the other side. Stretch down, nice straight arms. Yep. There we go, now, yep, good job. Now pick up that cloth. Now lean into those corners. Get in, yep. Get in those corners and hold it, and hold it. You can do it, yep, you can do it. There we go, now, other side. In we go, into those corners. Get right off those cobwebs. We don't want any stinky cobwebs. And hold it, and hold it. You can do it, you can do it. Good job, guys. Now we do the run around. Yeah, can you swing those cloths around and get all of those marks off the walls? Gotta get this crib tidy. Yep, you can do it. Now hold it, just hold it there. Stretch those muscles in wherever they are. And back round we go. And hold it this way. There we go. Now just stomp it out. Stomp it out, guys. Just stomp it out. Yep. Good, good. Now we get the hose, we're gonna drop these cloths, just drop them and drop them. There we go. Now we get the hose and wash this crib down. Gotta hear those sound effects. Nice. Yeah, there we go, up and over. There we go, up. There we go. Yep, the rainbow. Now we just stomp it out. And that's our Crib Asides. Thank you for joining in Crib Asides. We hope to see you next time.
And cut.